Okay, again come back to the session. So now let's see the speed of internet. Okay, so normal speed we are using on the social networks, it should be 3 to 8 mbps, that is megabytes per second we are using. This is the minimum speed of internet. Okay, and then maximum speed we can use 402. Okay, 402 terabytes per second. Okay, tbps, terabytes per second. This is the maximum speed of your internet. Okay, and next in ISRO, that is it's a very big satellite launching organization in our country. Okay, so that internet speed is 10 mbps, 10 megabytes per second. Okay, so their bandwidth is 10 mbps. Okay, so our bandwidth is 3 to 8 mbps and maximum speed 402 terabytes. But ISRO, a research or satellite organization, their bandwidth, their speed is 10 mbps. Okay, and next the maximum highest speed they are providing between 25 and 220 mbps. Okay, so all the users they have using over 100 mbps per second. Per second they are using 100 mbps. Okay, 100 mbps. Okay, mbps. Okay, megabytes per second. So just imagine if they are using 220 or 100 mbps means how they can easily transfer their data within a fraction of second. Okay, so this is the internet speed of this world right now. So who is providing this internet speed right now? If you are thinking about this internet speed, let's see. So here you can see this is your satellite. Okay, so who launched this satellite? SpaceX. So SpaceX organization, they launched some satellite, that is geo satellite. They are providing this internet services to the earth. Okay, so the world people, they given or they are giving maximum speed of internet service to your house or to your organization. Okay, so this is the highest internet speed in the world right now, that is SpaceX organization. So you know well who is the owner of this SpaceX? Elon Musk. Okay, so he is providing the highest internet speed throughout the world. And next, here you can see that geo satellite distance and latency. Okay, then 36,000 kilometer latency to 40 milliseconds. Okay, and Starlink, if you are using this Starlink router, you can get 550 kilometer and 20 milliseconds. You can transfer the data in a milliseconds. Okay, so that is the highest speed internet. Okay, in the internet. And if you are install this service, what are the equipments you need? They given this equipment: AC cable, router, Starlink, and then base and Starlink cable. Okay, so the Starlink provides this satellite services to our houses. Okay, so milliseconds we can transfer the data from all over the world. So high speed internet you can get anywhere on the earth. Okay, so directly they launched the geosat. The geosatellite transmission or transfers the data to the earth, so that all the users throughout the world or throughout the earth, they can get all the informations within a millisecond. This is the usage of network and speed of network also. Okay, so the SpaceX organization, they will give the highest speed internet throughout the world. So their organization name is Starlink. Okay, so here we can get reliable high speed internet wherever we live. Okay, so here we are going to use AC. That means alternative current options we are using in our laptops or direct desktops. Okay, so already some of the engineering students, they can know that AC, what is AC and what is DC. If some other people, they couldn't know. Okay, so AC means alternate current and DC means direct current. Okay, so when we are using laptop means we can use direct current we can use, but before that we need some adapters. Okay, so adapter, what it will do, it will get the direct current and it converts to the alternate current we can get the low voltage. Okay, and the direct current you can get the high voltage. That is the difference. If we want to convert AC to DC, we can use some capacitors. Okay, for that conversion. So this is the what how we can say in this network. So when we are using this wired or wired connection in that network means we should use this some adapters by getting this direct current. Okay, so direct current we can get if we are using electronic device, because our laptop, desktop is an electronic devices. In this electronic devices we are passing alternate current. Okay, so if you are getting direct current means we will get shock. Okay, so if we want to avoid that shock, we are using this alternate current for this electronic device. So that's the reason I given this example for you. So this is the best example for DC converter. Okay, so when we are going to convert AC to DC, alternate current to direct current means we should use this capacitor. So capacitor is the bridge between the alternate current and the direct current. Okay, the engineering students, they can know E&I, electronics instrumentation students, and ECI, electronics communication students, they can know about this AC and DC. But art and science students, they couldn't know this type of this conversion. Okay, in this electronic devices, when we are using this network, we are going to work all this in electronic devices. Okay, so all the works by using of this electronic devices means we should know about hardware and software. If you are taking hardware means we should know about that network means we should know what is wire connection, what is wireless connection. Okay, so if you are using wi-fi means wireless connection. If you are using ethernet on your system means that is wired connection. So wired connection means we can't pass direct current to your system, so we can pass alternate current. So that's the reason I given this um, conversion and then example to understanding. Okay, so this is the capacitor work. Okay, so capacitor means here we can see this dielectric. Okay, so here you can see this symbol. So this is the best example for this fixed capacitor. Okay, so the capacitor, they conduct this or transfer this direct current to AC. Okay, AC to DC, alternative current to direct connect current to your electronic devices. Okay, so for example, washing machines, refrigerators, we can't use direct current because if it is high voltage means we can get some blast or damages. Okay, so that's the reason in our homes or organization we are using AC, the AC converters. That's the reason we are maintaining some adapter. in our home. Okay, so this is the some other extra information which we are included in this network concept. Okay, so I think I finished everything. So next session we can see more and more. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye from Jenny.